When we think about 2050, it seems like it's ages away and we can imagine it to be a completely different world. But speaking in terms of reality, and we can already imagine what will be possible to have by that time. Today, we won't speak about the unachievable things we see in sci-fi movie. Instead, we'll speak facts about things that are actually gonna be possible. We have a lot of environmental and social problems, and we can all agree on the fact that technology is gonna solve all these problems by 2050. Today's video is about the world in 2050, future technology. Before we begin with today's video, let us know in the comments below what is something you wish to come true by 2050. Nanobots. Nanorobotics is still a transpiring technological field that is creating machines or robots whose components are at or near the scale of a nanometer. To be more precise, nanorobotics refers to the nanotechnology engineering discipline of designing and creating nanorobots, with devices ranging in size from 0.1 to 10 micrometers and manufacturing of nanoscale or molecular components. Nanomachines are currently in the research and development phase, but some primitive molecular machines and nanomotors have already been tested. One such example is a sensor having a switch of approximately 1.5 nanometers across, which is capable of counting specific molecules in the chemical sample. The first functional application of nanomachines may be in nanomedicine. Biological machines could be used to detect and destroy cancer cells. With cancer now becoming a very common disease, this technology will help save millions of lives. Another potential use is the identification of toxic chemicals and the measurement of their concentrations in the environment. Futurists believe that nanobots could be in the near future deliver drugs to humans with a high degree of precision. According to some researchers, in the next 10 years or so, our blood could be flowing with tiny nanorobots to keep us away from getting sick or even transfer our thoughts to a wireless cloud. Just the way our smartphones function, we will be able to do the same with our brains. We'll be able to enlarge our neocortex in the cloud and completely forget about memory problems, evidence problems, etc. These nanobots will travel inside us and on a molecular level, safeguarding our biological systems and ensuring that we have a good and prolonged life. The future of nanotechnology is closer than you may think. In the future, nanotechnology could also allow objects to harvest energy from the environment. New nanomaterials and concepts are recently being developed that display potential for producing energy from movement, light, and the difference in temperature, glucose, and other sources with high conversion capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is influencing the future of virtually every field and every human being. Artificial intelligence has functioned as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will pursue to function as a technological innovator for the anticipated future. AI will literally change every aspect of our lives by 2050, and here is how. In the future, you could just lay on the couch and order up a custom movie starring virtual actors of your choice. Meanwhile, film studios may have a future without a single flop. Sophisticated predictive programs will examine a film script's storyline and predict its box office potential. Why have medicine that's good for a standard person when it could be customized to your exact genome? AI algorithms will entitle doctors and hospitals to better analyze data and custom make their healthcare to the genes, environment, and lifestyle of an individual patient. From identifying brain tumors to determining which cancer treatment will work best for an individual, AI will operate the personalized medicine revolution. There are about 707 million cybersecurity violations in 2015 and 554 million in the first half of 2016. Companies are wrestling to stay one step ahead of hackers. USC experts say that self-learning and automation abilities enabled by AI can safeguard data much more comprehensively and affordably, keeping people safe from terrorism or even small-scale identity robbers. AI-based tools focus on patterns connected with malevolent computer viruses and programs before they can thieve enormous amounts of information or cause havoc. AI assistants will aid older people to stay independent and live in their own homes much longer. AI tools will keep nourishing food available, safely reach objects on higher shelves, and track movement in a senior's home. The tools could mow lawns, keep the windows clean, and even help with bathing and hygiene. Many other jobs that are tiresome and physical are perfect for AI-based gadgets. But the AI-assisted work may be even more vital in threatening fields like mining, firefighting, clearing mines, and handling radioactive materials. Space tourism. Private space trips are not something that can just be cited in movies and novels. They're soon going to become a very common thing. In the USA, space Space companies are appearing like mushrooms after the rain, and cost of space flights is slowly becoming more and more affordable. Soon the day will arrive when people will go to external orbit for their weekend trips. The year 2050 isn't far away. By the time it comes around, private enterprises will manage lower Earth orbit, space tourism will be very viable. Space-led power generation will be in the making, and there will be both small and large colonies on the moon. Space tourism won't just be limited to moon. Scientists are aiming to settle down on Mars too. Various commercial companies like Blue Origin and SpaceX rise up production of and test tourist-friendly space automobiles. It's determined that seats for space tourism could fall to approximately $200,000 in the very near future. While that's still a considerable amount of money that only the rich could afford, but not one can deny the fact that it's worth nothing compared to what Dennis Dido paid almost 2 decades ago. Self-driving cars. It may not just be around the corner, it's surely down the road. Self-driving cars are reaching a point where they are probably better than human drivers. Companies like Google, Tesla, and Uber are each pushing the limits of innovation to head up space. In a recent report, Business Insider forecasted that as many as 10 million self-driving cars would be functioning on road as early as 2020. Companies like Tesla are planning to release a fleet of their autonomous car that will function as a cab chain to take passengers from one place to another. Imagine a future where we no longer need drivers. What's the major benefit of a self-driving car service? It will become much easier to find a parking spot in the city. Actually, autonomous cars will never have to think about parking in the first place. The car will simply drop you off and resume on its way to find another fare. And it can continue to do so all day until the car needs a recharge. So will the driverless car change the hospitality industry? The answer is yes. Self-driving cars will rebuild our cities, leaving room for events in parking lots. Self-driving cars are going to have a prime influence on domestic airlines. Imagine jumping into a self-driving car in the middle of the night and going right to sleep in a cozy lounge seat and waking up the next day just in time for coffee and bagels at a breakfast reception. One could literally have their meetings and events on such self-driving hotels. In the future, event settings will need to find ways to design new experiences for their guests and clients. It won't be enough that you premise in a major city. Self-driving cars are successfully taking all the dots on the map and pulling them closer in conjunction. This means that your property should be finding ways to differentiate and offer beyond what's bringing visitors to your city in the first place. Solar energy. We humans have been literally destroying our planet by using non-renewable source of energy. These energy sources are limited in number and emit toxic substances that eat up our planet. We all have now realized that solar energy is the future of our planet. With solar energy, we never will have to worry about running out of energy, and furthermore, it's environmentally friendly. In the coming years, technological advancements will ensure that solar becomes low-priced. It could well be that by 2050, solar would have become the most paramount source of energy for electricity generation around the globe. This will also have a constructive impact on the environment and climate crisis. There is already a move in place in order to obtain higher efficiency modules which can create 1.5 times more power than the existing similar sized modules using mechanics called tandem silicon cells. In addition, there is a production revolution coming down the line that will lower the amounts of expensive materials such as silver and silicon used in the production of solar cells, as well as new devices such as bifacial modules that permit panels to capture solar energy from both ends. The other significant innovation is around how to merge solar in our homes, businesses, and power network. This means superior power electronics and greater utilization of cheap digital technologies. In the distant future, silicon solar cells are likely to continue to diminish in cost and be placed in large numbers. In the United States, these cost reductions are anticipated to escalate solar power production by at least 700% by 2050. For research on alternative designs for more effective and economical solar cells will continue. Years from now, we are expected to see alternatives to silicon emerging on our solar farms and rooftops, aiding to provide clean and sustainable sources of energy. These innovations have and will continue to be made possible by expanding the bulk manufacturing of solar cells and brand new technologies that produce cells cheaper and more efficiently. Drones. The dynamic drone technology is going to be a game changer in near future. From military innovation to a thrilling hobby to a technology that is modifying commercial industries, the use of drones has quickly changed over the past years. The future opportunities in the field are boundless. Also called unmanned aircraft, drones are already breaking drawbacks in the way firms do business. Huge companies like Amazon and Google are testing ways to distribute packages with drones. Facebook is using drones to impart internet connectivity in remote locations in the world. And there is even a startup that utilizes utilizes unmanned aircraft to deliver tacos to your doorstep. In short, the drone industry is flourishing each day. Drones are becoming an everyday thing in both commercial and altruistic sectors. Shortly, their use will be even more widespread. Here's how drone is all set to transform the future. The Environmental Protection Agency already uses drone technology to direct livestock and survey crops. In the future, farmers and herdsmen could use unmanned aircraft to tactically monitor and spray their crops. Drones can go several places that humans can't access, so they are an ideal solution for threatening search and rescue efforts, as well as for delivering emergency supplies to several remote places and disaster areas. We'll likely begin to see drones boosting police presence at large public events. Conclusion: this is just a very small part of the bigger future that we will come across a few times. If this is the future we are moving towards, we must be worried about a negative side too. If every field of life will be managed by technology, humans will run out of jobs. All we can do is wait and see what the future brings for this world. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do like it. Also give us a feedback on the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive technological based content.